Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your ASUS ZenFone Max M2, for the first you have to go for the settings, scroll down, tap on the system, enter for the languages and input, go for the virtual keyboard, tap on the Gboard and then go for the theme. Right now we have to click here and just pick up the picture that you want to customize to your keyboard theme. I take this one and I'm going to set it like that. Click next. Here we are able to set up the transparency. Click done and just tap on the apply. And right now when we enter for the application, when we can use the keyboard, you will see that our theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.